Welcome to Sohail Revit MEP में. Friends, I am going to take online classes. So please, who are interested, please text me on my mail ID. My online class will on both languages, Hindi and English, because over so many subscribers are non-Muslims who doesn't understand Hindi Urdu language. So for those students, I will explain the Revit MEP in English also. The timing and language is depends on you. So please, if you are interested, please text me on mail with your contact number. I will send you the fee structure, and our fee will be very low compared to others institutes, but learning will be more. See the contents, these are the contents I will explain, I will teach you in Revit online classes. Introduction, I will explain what is Revit MEP, how much it is benefits, what are the benefits, difference between AutoCAD and Revit, what is beam, and the basic fundamentals, what is project file, project template file, family template file, and what are the types of families and families categories. And I will explain the Revit window, what tabs are there and where is the property panel. Everything I will teach you, what the how we call the everything, elevations. So step by step I will teach you. And here next one, in basic fundamental only, I will explain the comments, shortcuts for save your time while doing the projects. In architecture, I will explain how to start the architecture, how to start a small project, identify the levels, we have to create the levels, boundaries, walls, roof, ceilings, grids. I will, this all thing I will explain you. Windows, equal distance to hole for windows, placing sanitary fixtures, staircase, railing, room tagging, how to do room tagging, view range, how to see view range, set the view range, distance for wall to walls, curtain walls, everything I will explain you. In next one, viewing in the project. Viewing means everything, elevations, how we will see the elevation, how we can create the elevation, orientation, section, call out, duplication, scope box, and 3D view, how can we see the 3D view. If you want to see a single floor, you can see in 3D view. And rendering, wall through, how can we take the image, everything I will teach you in this viewing in the project. And next to one, in visibility graphics. In visibility graphics, how can we change the visibility of every fixtures, every families, how can we hide, how can we half turn, means transparency, we can do less transparency of these all families. Everything I will explain in visibility graphics. And view range, how can we set the view range. If you are doing on second floor, you want to see the first floor, sometime while doing the plumbing work we need to watch the first floor, we have to compare the first floor with third floor, so you will understand while taking the classes. Then CAD Revit means how can we import the CAD file. CAD file will be in 2D, we have to import that file in Revit to start the project from the scratch. Some companies will give you only CAD file. You have to ready the architecture file with the help of Revit. You have to make that architecture 2D file to 3D file. So we have to import that CAD file from the CAD to Revit. See, then collaboration. Revit link means collaboration. We have to collaborate. We have to, while we have to start the MEP services, we have to import our architecture or structure design to start the services. What are the process to start Revit link from starting to end? I will explain. Then you can see the HVAC. In HVAC, how to do ducting, duct sizing, and plenum box, AHU connection, fire damper, and support, water, the distance between the supports, insulation. We will take the quantity takeoff also, how many diffusions we are placing, how many fire dampers, VCD, VAV, everything I will explain in HVAC. Then plumbing, we will take a architecture building, we will do soil pipe, waste pipe, and wind pipe, and water supply system. Everything we will do in plumbing. I will teach you from scratch to end. Manholes, storage tank, overhead tank, and septic tank, every connection I will explain you. Firefighting, then firefighting I will explain the sprinkler system, pump room arrangements, everything I will explain in firefighting. Electricals, I will explain basically electrical, water, the cable tray, how to use conduits, piping, how we have to do the piping, main boards, everything, wall mounted board, everything I will explain in electricals. Sheets, then we have to create the sheet, drawing sheet, we have to create sheet and we have to drag that all drawing on sheet. Legends, how to create the legends, sheets, everything I will explain in sheet class. Quantity takeoff, we have to take quantity, we doesn't need to count first 1 diffuser, 2, 3, 4, just we import that what we are need in quantity or in measurement, running meter, square meter, everything. If we need the ducting in square meter, we can find out from this quantity takeoff. So I will explain in this quantity takeoff classes. What said, what sharing, I will deeply explain what said, what sharing. If you will have any doubts in these classes, I will explain, and we will go very slowly, deeply. Compared to other students, you will be good level. In clash detection, the very best advantage of Revit is it shows the clashes between other services, between the services, pipings, ductings, where clashes is happening, it shows, we have to rectify. I will explain this class. Then construction documents, we have to create the document like an engineer, we have to create the annotation, tagging, everything we have to do to understand our supervisor who do the work at site engineer, everyone should understand our drawing. So in this class I will explain short drawing, families, how to create the family, UFC, if what we need, we will create tanks, everything, families, how to create the family, means product, I will explain in this class. Project steps, what are the steps, to start the project from scratch to end. If you have the architecture file, then what you have to do, everything I will explain. HVAC system installation knowledge, side knowledge I will also provide you. How the work is start, how the duct erection will happen, insulation happen, and all equipments of mechanical fittings, everything I will explain you. If you are interested online class, please text me on this my mail id mdsoil12266 @gmail.com. Thank you for watching.